Hi, superstars. Today we'll be talking about five very profitable business ideas in Nigeria right now. You know, there are actually businesses you can do and then you don't get to have customers or people patronize you. You just open it in the morning and sit right there, and at the end of the day, you don't make sales. These businesses I'm about to mention to you are businesses which people are patronizing right now in Nigeria. If you get to start it, you are sure to make good money in Nigeria. Okay, so number one on the list is nail tech business. Alright, so nail tech business is just about making nails for ladies. Ladies are so crazy about nails. They pay a lot just to make beautiful nails, to have their nails made beautifully, be it for an event or just to look good. Some people pay as high as 500,000 naira just to make nails, okay? And even in my state, that is not big. I know of people that pay over 150,000 naira just to make nails. All right, so the nail tech business is one business that is very lucrative if you know it very well. If you know your onions, if you know how to make very beautiful and very creative designs on nails, you are sure to make money in Nigeria. Okay, there are people who love very beautiful designs, very creative designs, and polish and all that. If you are able to come up with those designs, you will definitely make good money in Nigeria. So, all you have to do is attach yourself to someone who's doing very well and then learn from it. We also have videos on YouTube where they teach people how to make nails. Okay, you can go watch them and then learn from it and grow. All right, my superstars. Okay, so number two on the list is hair business. My superstars, lots of people are cashing out from hair business in Nigeria. You know, every lady wants to look beautiful, they want to look good, use beautiful wigs and all that. Okay, so by going into hair business, you can make very good money in Nigeria. First, you don't have to start by buying hairs. You can attach to someone and then drop ship hairs. We have different types of hairs, my superstars. We have hair blends, wigs that are blends but are very good in texture. I have this blended hair wig I bought at about 20,000 some years ago, and my superstars, it is still looking beautiful, sparkling, and if you don't look at it very well, you won't know it's a hair blend. Okay, so lots of people are cashing out from selling hair blends to people. Okay, and we also have different hair textures. We have Vietnamese, we have different hair textures. Okay, if you want to more videos on how to start hair business in Nigeria, I can do a more comprehensive video and tell you everything you need to know about starting an hair business in Nigeria. I know so many people who started small and right now they are big names in hair business. Okay, if you would love me to do a full video on how to start hair business in Nigeria, please write it in the comment section and then I'll make a full video. All right, but whatever hair business is a good business that has made lots of people rich in Nigeria. Okay, so number three on the list is skincare products. Okay, have you noticed that lots of ladies do not joke with their skin? They pamper their skin. They're all about making sure that they glow, they look youthful, they do not age and all that. So by starting a skincare product business in Nigeria, you can make good money from it, my superstars. I know so many people who started skincare products more, and right now there are big names and they are doing very well. All you need to do is know how to formulate products like lightening creams. Nigerians are so crazy about lightening creams and brightening their skin tone and all that. So if you know how to formulate all these skin products, but please make sure it is healthy, okay, that it is not such that will affect people's skin. It should be such that goes well on the skin. If you know how to formulate skin products that solve different skin issues like eczema, acne, brightening skin tone, discolorations, dark knuckles, all those skincare products that solve issues in Nigeria, then you are sure to make good money from it. All you have to do is look for a skincare professional and then enroll with the person, and from there you get to learn, and then you start formulating your products gradually. You may have to solve someone's problem. Okay, you may have to, for a start, you may have to solve someone's problem free of charge. Okay, you get to see someone who has an issue you can handle, you give the person a product, but in exchange the person will allow you make videos to monitor the process, to monitor the recovery. Okay, like if there's someone who has acne, you could give someone a acne healing product and then make videos of before and after. That is the easiest way to venture into the market. By the time you make videos of before and after the person have used your product and they see results, from there people will get to know you and start patronizing you. Okay, my superstars, and before you know it, you're a big name in Nigeria. And then you remember that, hey, Idizillion, I got to hear this from Idizillion, and then I tried it out, and then it worked out. All right, my superstars. Okay, so number 4 on the list is weight loss products, be it weight loss tea or weight loss, anything that can make one lose weight is a good business in Nigeria, because right now so many people are trying to lose weight and look fit in Nigeria. Once upon a time, people wanted to add weight, but right now the trending thing is that so many people are losing weight. So if you're able to come up with a weight loss product that is effective, then you are sure to make money in Nigeria. We all know of someone who advertised weight loss tea and they sold out a lot, made lots of money in a short period of time because the results were visible. Okay, if you have visible results that this weight loss products actually work, then my superstars will make money in Nigeria. All you have to do is find out a product that works and then advertise it and then make good money from it. All right, people are trying to lose weight because people have found out that being fat is, some people are having health related problems because of weight. So lots of people are trying to lose weight in order to stay healthy. Okay, so coming up with a weight loss product will make you sell and then make good money in Nigeria. Okay, so finally, last on the list is tailoring. You know what? Nigerians are in that time where they want to look good. Lots of ashebis, no matter how much people say there's no money, there's no money, there are lots of events, and before you know it, they have brought out ashebi and people will buy it and then they sew it. Every lady wants to look good, and by doing looking good, it involves sewing clothes and wearing new clothes. So by learning tailoring, you can make good money in Nigeria. And you know what, my superstars? If you learn tailoring and you go into ready to wear clothes, my God, you'll make good money from it. I know so many people who all they do is sew ready to wear clothes. They make it in different sizes and then they sell it online and they make good money from it. Some people make like 1 million naira monthly from sales of ready to wear clothes, some 2 million, 5 million naira, depending on how renowned they are. Some of them, they all started small. They all started small and then they advertised, and from there people got to know them via their social media platforms. So my superstars, don't be scared to start. All you need to do is learn how to sew. Go and learn how to sew from a tailor. Attach yourself to a fashion design academy and learn how to sew, and from there you can get started. And if you're like, I don't have the passion to sew, but I am very good at designing, I can make great designs of clothes and all that, then you can actually get a place and then employ people. Okay, you draft the designs and then give it to them to sew it, and from there you market it and sell it and make your money. There are people who do not know how to lift a finger when it comes to sewing, but they are making good money from ready to wear clothes and from clothes. All you have to do is draft the design, give your team, they sew it, you wear it, and then dance around your camera. Okay, you advertise it, or you could give it to a model to wear it, advertise it, and from there you make sales. All right, my superstars. Okay, so these five businesses I have mentioned are very, very lucrative in Nigeria right now. There are other businesses which I'll mention in our next video, which are also very, very lucrative in Nigeria right now, whereby if you try them, you will make money from it. Okay, in the meantime, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and then I will get right back to you. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button. Thank you. Thank you for watching my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.